our art segment, Art Mart, every Friday. Delhi is playing host to 48 degrees Celsius, the first of its kind public art festival. The aim of the project is to interrogate the state of ecology within the capital city through the prism of contemporary art.
Five artists from all over the world come together to display their work at 8 sites across Delhi in the first of its kind public art festival. 48 degrees Celsius Public Art Ecology is a combined initiative of Max Muller Bhavan and GTZ. Contemporary art comes into public spaces that have been carefully chosen to represent Mughal, colonial and contemporary Delhi, to create a visual spectacle with art projects revolving around the notions of ecology.
Just the whole ecological state is about, is one of the most crucial and the most overriding crises of our times. So it seems just the right time to invite artists to talk about it. Not to say that several artists aren't already doing it. They're doing it, but I think this was, at least for India, several artists have the opportunity to do it in a public space, which is where most people should see it and talk about it as well.
Multiple strategies have been used by the artists, from installations, video projections to community projects. Vivan Sundaram, who has been working with garbage and waste for a while, presents a piece created with 9,000 plastic bottles.
Work is titled Flotage. It's connected with flotsam, things that are discarded, the aspect of trash which I worked with before, things which are lying around is as dirt, filth, as chaotic, as a kind of entropy in the city.
Another artist, Atul Bhalla, who has been working with the issues of water for over a decade, is creating Chhabeel based on the Yamuna at Kashmiri Gate.
I will be putting up a Chhabeel at Kashmiri Gate. I am giving out free water, and the question that I'm going to ask when I give out the water is, have you ever seen the Yamuna, or have you ever touched the Yamuna? And in Hindi also write, आपने कभी जमुना को देखा है, आपने कभी जमुना को छुआ है.
Installation artist and photographer Sheba Chati's works address issues of gender, violence and visual culture.
This installation tries to evoke cultural, emotional, psychological associations with water. I want to shift the relationship to water from the position of the beleaguered consumer.
Apart from the artworks, issues on environment and ecology will also be explored in street plays, eco-bicycle and bus tours. Other artists included within this project include the Swiss dance troupe Damotus, Subodh Gupta and Icha Ikeda. In New Delhi with Charu Methani, Mohini Varma for NDTV.